Hello viewers, welcome to the best purchase guide on YouTube. We all know that it's difficult to find the best product according to our budget. To make your purchase decision easier and to save your time, in this video our expert team picked only the finest items for you based on features, manufacturer's reputation, price and actual user feedback. So, if you choose from this list, you can be rest assured that you're buying the best product. Please check the description below for product links and updated prices. Also, please don't forget to subscribe to our channel. So, let's get started.
Our number one pick is Matane Rolling Backpack. The Matane Rolling Backpack is a practical and versatile travel companion that offers the best of both worlds, the ease of a wheeled suitcase and the flexibility of a backpack. Its 17-inch laptop compartment, water-resistant material, and spacious design make it ideal for business travelers, students, and those needing a reliable carry-on for short trips. The dual carrying options, rolling or wearing, make it adaptable to different situations. The standout feature of this bag is its rolling design. The sturdy wheels and telescopic handle allow you to roll it like a suitcase, which is perfect for navigating airports, train stations, or busy city streets without straining your shoulders or back. The handle is easy to extend and retract, adding to the overall convenience. The backpack has a padded laptop compartment that can accommodate laptops up to 17 inches, making it ideal for professionals, students, or travelers who need to carry larger devices. The padding ensures your laptop stays protected during travel, reducing the risk of damage. Constructed from water-resistant fabric, the backpack provides reliable protection against light rain and spills. While it's not fully waterproof, it offers peace of mind when traveling in unpredictable weather or if you're caught in a light shower. The backpack is designed with multiple compartments to help keep your belongings organized. In addition to the laptop compartment, there's plenty of room for clothes, books, documents, and other essentials. The front compartment offers easy access to smaller items like pens, notebooks, and chargers, while the side pockets are perfect for water bottles or umbrellas. Our second best travel backpack with wheels is Lumeshner Rolling Backpack. The Lumeshner Rolling Backpack is a fantastic choice for anyone looking for a carry-on approved, wheeled backpack with plenty of space and organizational features. The inclusion of packing cubes makes it especially useful for keeping items neat and easily accessible, while the 17.3-inch laptop compartment offers excellent protection for larger devices. Its water-resistant material, durable construction, and unisex design make it suitable for business, travel, and casual use. The backpack features smooth rolling wheels and a sturdy telescopic handle, making it easy to roll through airports, train stations, or city streets without straining your back or shoulders. The handle is adjustable, and the wheels are durable enough to handle a variety of surfaces, offering a seamless experience when traveling with heavy loads. One of the standout features of this rolling backpack is the inclusion of 4 packing cubes. These cubes help you organize your clothes, toiletries, and accessories efficiently, making packing and unpacking a breeze. This level of organization is ideal for business trips, weekend getaways, or extended travel where keeping your items sorted is essential. Third choice in our list is Star Cloud Rolling Backpack. The Star Cloud Rolling Backpack is an excellent travel companion for business professionals, students, and frequent travelers. With a water-resistant exterior, a spacious 17.3 inches laptop compartment, and its wheeled design, this backpack offers a versatile solution for commuting, overnight trips, and long travels. The Star Cloud Rolling Backpack offers a generous amount of storage space, with its 21 by 14 by 9 inch dimensions. It's large enough to carry clothing for an overnight trip, books for school, or work materials. The various compartments, including the dedicated 17.3 inches laptop compartment, make it easy to organize your belongings. Built with a water-resistant fabric, this backpack keeps your belongings safe from light rain and accidental spills, which is essential for travelers or commuters who often find themselves outdoors. The water-resistant feature also ensures your electronics and papers stay dry, making it reliable in unpredictable weather. The smooth rolling wheels and adjustable telescopic handle make this backpack easy to maneuver through airports, train stations, or school halls. Number 4 in our side is Rockland Double Handle Rolling Backpack. The Rockland Double Handle Rolling Backpack, 17-inch, is a practical and stylish solution for students, travelers, and professionals looking for a versatile and convenient way to carry their essentials. With its compact size and rolling capability, this backpack offers a blend of mobility and functionality. Let's dive into the key features and performance aspects of this product. This Rockland rolling backpack strikes a good balance between being compact yet spacious enough to carry daily essentials. It's an ideal choice for students or professionals who need a functional yet lightweight bag. The smaller size also makes it perfect for short trips, commutes, or as an airline carry-on. Last in our top 5 best travel backpack with wheels list is Zomfelt Rolling Backpack. The Zomfelt Rolling Backpack is an excellent choice for anyone seeking a versatile and functional travel companion. With its spacious interior, included packing cubes, and ease of use, it's well suited for both work and leisure. One of the standout features of the Zomfelt backpack is its dual functionality. You can roll it smoothly on its sturdy wheels or carry it as a traditional backpack using the padded shoulder straps. This flexibility is especially handy when navigating crowded areas like airports or bus stations. The backpack comes with 3 packing cubes, which are a fantastic addition for keeping your belongings organized. These cubes help separate clothes, electronics, and other essentials, making packing and unpacking a breeze. The main compartment is spacious enough to fit a laptop and additional items, making it ideal for short trips or daily commutes. Made from high-quality materials, this backpack feels robust and well-built. The fabric is water-resistant, which provides some protection against light rain or spills. The zippers are also sturdy, ensuring that they can withstand frequent use without snagging or breaking. The wheels of the Zomfelt backpack glide effortlessly, making it easy to transport, even when fully loaded. The 360-degree swivel feature allows for smooth maneuverability, which is particularly useful in tight spaces. Thanks for watching this video. Hope this guide will help you to make your decision easier. Don't forget to subscribe our channel for more guide and special tips on your feed.